Imagine a massive semi-truck rolling over in broad daylight. But the real story starts way before that. What happens when an intoxicated driver operating a fully loaded trailer denies everything despite overwhelming evidence? Stay tuned to find out. In April 2024, dispatch in Hulk, Wisconsin, alerted deputies about a semi-rollover accident on I-41. But what they didn't know was that the incident unfolded after an off-duty cop witnessed the driver struggling to stay in his lane, almost causing a collision. Moments later, the semi drifted off the road and the driver's sharp correction sent the truck rolling. When the deputy arrived, he immediately noticed an overpowering smell of alcohol coming from the overturned truck. As he helped the driver crawl out, it was clear that something wasn't right. The driver seemed disoriented, but claimed everything was fine. Despite insisting that the trailer was empty, investigators later discovered it was fully loaded with canned food. The driver, a 26-year-old man from Milwaukee, gave conflicting accounts. First, he claimed he hadn't had anything to drink. But as the questioning continued, he admitted to drinking whiskey and vodka while driving.
All right, why don't we have a seat right up here? Have a seat on the grass for me. Right here, buddy. Have a seat for me. Where are you coming from?
Milwaukee.
Driver's okay. Possible 55. It's going to need a heavy record. Are you fully loaded? What do you have in your trailer?
It's loaded.
What's that?
It's loaded.
It's loaded with what? What's it loaded with? How heavy are you? I'm asking.
It's loaded.
What is in your trailer?
It's loaded.
Yeah, I understand that, but what's it loaded with? What do you have in there? You don't have anything in there? So you're empty? If there's any fluid spilled, I'm sure there's something spilled, but...
Yeah, there's something, but...
Do you have your insurance?
Yeah.
It's in the truck?
Yeah.
We might have to wait for that. Where's your shoes at, buddy?
It's in my truck.
They're in your truck? You drive with them off normally?
Yeah.
Okay. What are you looking for there? Putting your credit card away? What's the last four of your number? You don't know your number? No? Okay. So how much have you had to drink today?
A lot.
A lot? Yeah? Like what's a lot?
I could tell you.
You could tell me?
I could tell you.
Yeah, I'm asking you how much?
A lot.
Like, were you drinking beer, wine, whiskey, vodka? You were drinking whiskey? Where are you drinking? You want to sit down for me?
Yeah.
Why don't you have a seat right here? I don't want you to tip over. Hey, have a seat for me right here. I don't want you to tip over, okay?
Yeah.
Can you do that?
Yeah.
Okay, sit down.
So, let's go. Let's go in my truck.
What about your truck?
Let's go in my truck.
We're not going in there right now. We're going to wait till it gets uprighted. Then we can go in there and get some stuff.
You have a seat right now.
I don't want you to tip over. I can't hear you. What?
Whiskey and vodka.
Whiskey and vodka?
Yeah.
Where? While you were driving?
Yeah, I was driving.
You didn't stop at a bar or anything like that? No?
I was driving in a bar.
Okay. When's the last time you had something to drink?
In Windy.
How long ago was that?
Like 2 hours.
2 hours ago? How long you been driving today?
2 hours.
You've only been driving for 2 hours? Where did you start your trip? Down in Milwaukee? You started in Milwaukee, you went to Green Bay, and now you're going back to Milwaukee? Yeah? You must have been driving for more than 2 hours. All right. Can you look and see?
The driver's confusion only grew during the field sobriety tests. He struggled to follow simple instructions, stumbled through balance tests, and couldn't focus on the finger tracking exercise. It was becoming painfully clear that he was severely impaired.
So I'm going to put you through some tests now to make sure that you're okay to drive. You good with that? So just stand off my truck or my car a little bit. Come to me. Okay, stop. What I want you to do is I want you to put your feet together, put your hands down at your side, and you're going to stay like that while I do this test, okay? You understand that? So I'm going to be checking your eyes, okay? What I want you to do is I want you to follow the tip of my finger with your eyes and your eyes only, keeping your head perfectly still. Do you understand that?
Okay.
You got that? Just keep your arms down at your side, all right? Keep your head perfectly still. Like, watch my eyes. Like I'm following my finger. See that? Just use your eyes to follow the finger, okay? So watch my finger right here. Ready? Oh, you're moving your head. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, keep your head, pretend your head can't move. See my finger? You're looking at me, buddy. You see my finger? Follow my finger, buddy. Do you see my finger way over here?
Yeah,
okay.
I see.
Look at my finger.
I see it.
Okay. You're not understanding what I want you to do, I think. Here.
I do it. I do.
You're having a hard time doing it though. I'm gonna try a couple more times, all right? Would it help if I use a pen? You see that better?
Okay.
Yo, you keep your fingers down.
Move it to the left.
Yep.
Left.
And then you look at it.
Left.
Okay, watch it.
Move it to the left. Right and left.
Follow it with your eyes. Keep your head still. No, you keep your hands down. Ready? Here we go.
Yeah.
Look up at my finger. Don't move your head, buddy. All right,
So
no,
let's
hold
go.
on. We're not done. We're gonna do a couple more. You stand right here, okay? I want you to imagine a straight line, okay? Going right from your feet to where that officer is, okay? Can you imagine a straight line going right that way?
Yeah.
Okay, so we both, hold on. So we both know where that line is. What I want you to do is I want you to put your left foot on that line, put your right foot on that line. So you got your left foot, and I'll put your right foot in front of your left foot there.
Right. Oh.
Look at my feet. Ready? Left foot, right foot. Remain in that position while I explain the rest of this test, okay?
Yeah.
And you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps down that line.
Yeah.
A series of small steps. You're going to turn around and take 9 more back, okay?
Yeah.
I'm going to demonstrate this for you, okay? So watch my feet. It's going to be 1, 2, 3. Taking a series of small steps. For demonstration purposes, I took 3. How many are you going to take? How many steps are you going to take?
3.
No, 9.
9.
You're going to take 9. Okay?
Do it.
I just demonstrated it for you.
Do it. Do it for me.
You want me to demonstrate again?
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. You're going to take 9. I did 3. While you're doing this test, I want you to look down at your feet, count your steps out loud, and keep your arms at your side, okay? Do you understand that?
Yeah. So do it for me. Let's go.
Oh, we got to do a couple more, and then we're going to go.
Okay. Okay. So.
Okay, so do you understand what I want you to do?
So I wanna do a demonstration.
No, we're not doing any demonstrations. I got to do these ones, okay?
Okay. So let's go and then.
All right, do you want to do that test?
Yeah.
Okay, why don't we do it? Remember, left foot, right foot? Do you understand everything that I explained?
I know.
Okay, you ready to do it?
Yeah. I know.
Okay, whenever you're ready. Get in that position though. Left foot, right foot. Whenever you're ready, you can begin.
So what?
Look, just like I told you. You told me you understood. I want you to do 9 steps. Take a series of small steps, 9 more back.
What do we to do?
Okay, are you ready to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead whenever you're ready. Yep. Just like I told you, 9 steps. You done?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go back to the car. We're getting a little far away here. Stand right here for me. Okay, face me. So for this test, you're going to pick up either your left or your right foot, just like this. And you're going to count in a manner of 1 1,000, 2 1,000. Keep your arms down to your side and count out loud. You understand all that?
Yeah.
Which foot do you want to raise?
So what do you want me to count?
You're going to count like this. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, until I tell you to stop. Can you do that?
Oh yeah.
So which foot do you want to pick up?
Left.
You're going to pick up your left foot?
But I want you to.
We'll get to that after I'm done. I got one more to do after this.
But I want you to understand that I'm not joking.
Okay.
I'm not joking.
I'm not saying you are. Are you ready?
I want to understand my
Okay.
job.
Yep. All right. You can begin.
And
You can begin the test. You're going to pick up your left foot?
I want to pick up my job.
Okay. I got one more test I want you to do, okay?
Okay.
Then we're done. I want you to take a breath test, okay?
Yeah.
Have you ever taken one of these before? Yeah. So what I want you to do is like, have you ever blown up a balloon before?
No.
No?
Never.
Never?
Never.
Okay. See it's at 0? Okay, what I want you to do is I want you to take a real deep breath in. You're going to put your lips around the straw, real nice and tight, and you're going to blow until I tell you to stop, okay?
Okay.
I'm going to hang on to it though, okay? Okay, take a real deep breath. Blow, 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 blow. You're sucking in. There you go. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Then came the shocking part. The preliminary breath test revealed a staggering blood alcohol concentration, BAC, of 0.297, almost 4 times the legal limit for regular drivers and nearly 6 times the limit for commercial drivers. With no prior offenses, the driver was arrested for operating a vehicle while intoxicated. He was cited for several violations, including driving with a prohibited alcohol content and failure to maintain control of the vehicle. His fines totaled over $2,400. Months later, the driver pled no contest to the charges, resulting in a guilty verdict. His penalties didn't just end with fines. He also faced consequences that would impact his career as a commercial driver. This case serves as a stark reminder of the dangers of driving under the influence, especially when operating heavy machinery. What are your thoughts on this case? Let us know in the comments